Our Crew7 mission has 4 different astronauts from 4 different countries and 4 different space agencies.
All 4 of us are so proud to represent what is possible when we come together. The main purpose of the International Space Station is to perform science, and that comes in many different forms. My name is Jasmin Moghbeli. I'm the commander of NASA's SpaceX Crew7 mission to the International Space Station.
My name's Andreas Mogensen, and I'm the pilot.
My name is Konstantin Borisov, and I am a mission specialist.
My name is Satoshi Furukawa. I am a mission specialist.
Ultimately, everything we do is to benefit the Earth.